Now I am taking in between two plates AB. Some are in the parallel, some are in the series. First all are sudden change. Next gradual change also I will take. Yes, between these two plates, plate A and B, this complete portion filled with one medium, that is K1, it is K2, it is K3, it is K. Yes, its area is A1, means here. This is also A1. Otherwise, you take this is A by 2 because exactly half of it is A by 2, A by 2, and A by 2. Similarly, total distance D, D by 2 and D by 2 between A and B. So total 4 different dielectric media inserted. K1, K2, K3, K4. Only this portion capacitance C1, C2, C3, C4. Students, C1, K1, A by 2, epsilon naught divided by D by 2. That means K1, A epsilon naught by D. That is C1. Similar to C1, C2, K2, A epsilon naught by D. C3, K3, A epsilon naught by D. C4, K4, A epsilon naught by D. So first of all, now individual capacitances for C1, C2, C3, C4. Now students, here C1, C2 series, C3, C4 again series. So C1, C2 one effective capacitance, C3, C4 another effective capacitance. Finally, this effective capacitance, both are in the parallel. So this is first point. But some students taken C1, C3 both are parallel, C2, C4 both are parallel, and finally this effective finally in the series. So here two versions there. These two series finally parallel. Another, these two parallel finally series. So version 1, version 2, these two are different, and only correct, both are not correct. So which one correct means C1, C2 both are in series, correct? C3, C4 both are in series, correct? Finally, this effective both are in parallel, correct? But if you say C1, C3 both are in parallel, this C1 and C3 look like parallel, but they are not parallel. May be parallel, may not be parallel. Why may be parallel, may not be parallel? Why now? No guarantee for that. Now parallel means, students, between two parallel capacitors, potential difference should be constant, means the same. But here, potential difference across C1, potential difference across C3, no any guarantee for the same. This potential difference may be different from this potential difference. No any guarantee. So that's why C1 and C3, if you take parallel, wrong concept. So that's why which concept we need to consider? C1, C2 series, C3, C4 series. Finally, this effective pair. That is correct because this effective between A and B, this effective between A and B, between A and B, potential difference is common for the both. So that's why here C1, C2 both are in series. C3, C4 both are in series. Finally, parallel. So suppose C1, C2 effective. This effective capacitance is a C5 effective capacitance. And C3, C4 effective capacitance is a C6. Then final CAB is nothing but C5 plus C6. But C5, C6, how to find out? Just wait. 1 by C5 equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. C1 already we know. C2 also already we know. Similarly, 1 by C6 equal to 1 by C3 plus 1 by C4. C3 we know. C4 also we know. Substitute. Then you will get C5 and C6. Then this C5, C6 substitute here. Then you will get final answer. Right? That is the final answer. And the substitution also simple only. See only. C1 1 by C1 means D divided by K1 A epsilon naught. Again D divided by K2 A epsilon naught. D divided by A epsilon naught common. 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2. Yes, 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2. You can write K1 plus K2 by K1 K2. Then now C5 take. Means now reciprocal. Then C5 complete. Yes, here after now taking substitution you will get the C5 is nothing but A. Yes, here A epsilon naught C1 A epsilon naught by D. Yes, already taken, that is A epsilon naught divided by D. Then K1 K2 by K1 plus K. This is C5 after substitution. Similarly, C6 same A epsilon naught divided by D. C3 C4 means K3 K4 divided by K3 plus K4. Now this is C6, C5, substitute here C5 plus C6. Yes, again A epsilon naught by D common. K1 K2 by K1 plus K2 plus K3 K4 by K3 plus K4. That is the final answer. Right, students? But here important point. These two series and these two series finally parallel concept correct. These two parallel, finally series concept wrong. Why means parallel means definitely potential difference should be the same. But in between C1 and C3, no guarantee for constant potential difference. Take it. Yes, now students, series and then parallel. Combination, previously all of sudden change, discontinuous change completed. Now continuous change. Now one example. So this is plate A, plate B, and both plates, that is parallel plates, having area A equal to LB. This is L. From here to here L. B is into the board. B is into the board. So this is the L, this is the B. L into B, this is the A, right? In between these two plates, in this direction, this complete space filled with K1. This complete space filled with K2. It is K1, it is K2. In this triangular shape K1, this triangular shape K2. And from here to here, total distance, that is capital D. Here to here, total distance capital D. Here to here L. So this is now present form. Between A and B, effective capacitance question. Yes, students, here from plate number A to plate number B, the portion of one dielectric medium decreasing, another dielectric medium increasing. Suppose here I am moving now from here to here. Yes, I am moving from here to here. Here to here, this medium. Here to here, another medium. Means in this K2 more, K1 less. Suppose if I move from here to here, K1 more, K2 is less. So like that, two medium now here occupied. So now this capacitance, how to find? Here we have two options. Again, this is now continuously changing. That's why you need to divide this space into all infinite number of small strips. But the division, first one option, this is the strip like this. Means parallel to plates. Division is the division number 1. Perpendicular to plates like this. Perpendicular to plates. This is division number 2. Yes, division number 1, division number 2, only one only correct. So that we need to find out. Suppose if I divide this along the plates, this is one portion, it is another portion. Those two portions may not be in the parallel. So that's why parallel to plates, division is the wrong. So now perpendicular to plates like this. So I am dividing this complete space into lines. So one division, one small strip from here to here y, here to here dy. Yes, here to here one type of capacitor, here to here another type of capacitor. This is K1, this is K2. Now K1 portion, K2 portion, both are in the series. This is okay, series correct. But if you divide like this portion may not be in the parallel. So that's why first division, which division now we are going to do, that now you need to concentrate. Yes, this division is the right. Now this capacitance is a DC1, this capacitance is a DC2. Both DC1 and DC2 both are in the series. So that's why effective capacitance only for that strip. This is DC1, this is DC2. So 1 by DC equal to 1 by DC1 plus 1 by DC2. Then again, here to here distance and here to here distance now we need. Yes, so students, for that I am taking here to here some angle theta. Theta we know, tan theta is nothing but capital D divided by L. So now here to here y, that's why here to here y tan theta. And here to here capital D minus y tan theta. So therefore 1 by DC1 DC1 means this. DC1 K1 A epsilon naught divided by the distance. But K is K1, A is nothing but B into dy Ka epsilon naught divided by this distance capital D minus y tan theta plus DC2 K2 B into dy epsilon naught y into tan theta, right? Now you can take now LCM K1 K2 B epsilon naught to dy. Then here d minus y tan theta into K2 plus K1 into y tan theta. This is 1 by DC. 1 by DC. Now DC here I am writing. DC equal to K1 K2 B epsilon naught into dy. K1 K2 B epsilon into dy. That is now numerator. Denominator D into K2 plus y tan theta into K1. So that is y tan theta common K1 minus K2. Yes, student, this step from here. That is the DC. K1 K2 B epsilon naught dy divided by that. Now this type of strips, many are there from here to here, all up to the last. All are in the parallel. Parallel means very simple, just addition of. So that's why integral DC, integral is nothing but a C between A and B. Yes, student, this integration very simple. CAB is nothing but constants first outside K1, K2, B epsilon naught. Then later dy divided by dk2 plus y tan theta K1 minus K2. Yes, ln format. Yes, ln of dk2 plus divided by K1 minus K2 into tan theta is a constant. That means after integration. Ln of dk2 plus y tan theta into K1 minus K2 lower limit 0, upper limit small l. Upper limit small l. Yes, a equal to l. Yes, I am substituting L here and then lower. And before that, what is tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but opposite side, capital D divided by here to here small l. Same this tan theta also. Now I am substituting here. K1, K2 tan theta equal to D by L. That is LB epsilon naught divided by K1 minus K2 into capital D. Ln of dk2 plus y, upper limit L. L d by L cancel. So now here dk1 minus dk2 cancel, dk1 divided by k2. So k1 by k2. Later you can write L into B is a area. So capacitance between A and B is right. Yes, here this simplification okay, but important physics point. Why I am taking this type of strips, not this type of strips? That is the physics. If you take this strip, that means if you divide the space parallel to the plates, any strip, if you take this strip, strip 1, strip 2, not in the parallel. But if you take this strip, yes, definitely in the series. So that's why this is the